Hi guys, welcome back to once again to this channel. In this tutorial I'm going to create a controller for grade and hours. Okay, so here I have create one table view controller which is in front of you, and I have removed the useless code from here. Give the name cell and open your storyboard. Here take one new controller, and that should be your table view controller. Okay, this is completely a pure table view controller. In last tutorial we have used table view inside the UI view controller, but here we are taking separately completely UI table view controller. Okay, so I give the name cell identifier. Now see your location. Here I will open that controller on click of hour button and on click of grade button. So first action we will perform for hour button. UI storyboard and our storyboard main. Okay, that is our main storyboard. Now controller equals story dot instantiate value selection view controller. That's great. Else, and I will bind this with guard. Okay, it will save our code because from the starting we are using guard now, so you must understand the functionality of a guard. Now self view controller and push view controller with animation true. That's great. Now same thing I will use for tap for grade button. Okay, so here I have grade and I have tap hour. So this is my value selection controller. Here we have uh, hours and grades. Okay, so I will create separate function for that. Configure values. I'll take one boolean variable is grade. If it is true, then we will add some different values. If it is false, then we will use as a hour controller. Okay, yeah, and one list, and this list, let's say it's a string type, and initially this is empty list. Okay, great. Now here keep condition if is grade, then we will add all the grades inside the list. Here you can see. Else we will add all the hours. Here you can see 0 to 4. Okay, and here we will pass 1 because we have one section, and list dot count all the counts, and as UI table view cell. Okay, that's good. Now uh, cell. Okay, I'll convert this string list to grade type of grade list. Okay, here I will edit all the items as per our requirement. Grade type of grade, and I will change complete list as per our requirement. Okay, if I equals to 1, then a minus minus, and I will change all these as per our requirement. Okay, the complete list will looks like that. So it's almost done. D, yeah, copy and paste. Yeah, it's completely done, and our hover list will be like that. Model dot name equals name will be I. Okay, model dot I. So label description or text label dot text equals list of index row, index path dot row dot name. So great. Now let's see and build the application. We will see the output. Average new stroke, click on hours. Oh, click event is not working. I think we missed something. Our grade. So let's back to programming. Open your calculation cell. Oh, we forgot to attach the action event. Okay, this is tab for hour and this is tab for grade. Yeah, that's great. And same time we will do for tab for calculation. Okay, now again we will run and see the output. Our nothing is coming. Again we missed something. Look on Taylor. We forgot to reload this table. Now again we will see the output. New stroke hours. Again it's not coming. Grade is also not coming. What we are missing here? Oh, I did not call this configure view function. Okay, so this will be, and from here we have to pass it is grade or hours. So for hour we will make it false and for grade we will make it true. Now stop and here let list, we will clear the list. Okay, as we will call. That's great. Self dot list. Now build and run. Average 100 news hour. So here you can see hour is coming. Okay, so next functionality will be we have to deselect this, and there is some lining is coming. We will remove those lining. So for that what we have to do, self dot table view dot uh, separator style equals dot none. This is the property of a table view. Okay, table view dot footer view equals UI view. Okay, so you done with it. Now we will do more things. We will set the navigation title, select grade if it is grade. This is the title of the screen. Okay, select hours. So yeah, grade will be defined, and here we will take one more variable, check. If you select that, then it will true, otherwise it will false. So that we can handle our click event functionality. Okay, open utils. That's great. And in utils we will we create one separate class, protocols. Okay, here we will take one protocol which is called as callback. The name of the protocol is callback, and protocol means it is custom delegate. Okay, custom delegate class, as we are using delegate for UI table view. Now this is same like that. Here I create one function which will return as a string output parameter. So extension callback, calculation controller callback, and the method of callback is yes. So we have callback. Now we will take one variable cell, calculation cell. That's great, so that we get to know on which cell we have clicked. And we also take one global variable is grade, okay, so that we get to know come back after click on grade or which one is grade. Cell equals to cell, copy and paste and put into tab hour. Command I. So this is your callback function. From here we will check if it is grade. Then table view dot reload row at particular index. I'll take one more variable here where hour, and this will be string optional. Same I will take for grade. This is grade. Grade, and this is also type of string optional, so that's fine. Now go back to your calculation controller, and here take cell dot index. Oh, index is not here, so directly we will remove cell and we will replace this with index, okay. Index path, and now we will go to table. Here also we will change index path equals index path, and same for grade button. Now self dot index path, and this is we can say top, from top to bottom, okay. And index this will be inside the array, so put inside the array. It will remain same, no changes here. And before calling this function we will update our list dot index self dot index path dot row, and index path will be as required. It should not be optional. Now dot grade, if it is grade then we will put the str inside the grade, and else we will copy and paste this and keep it outside, else we will update hours. So it's done. Set data, and here we will add one more thing. We will update the title of the button, hours button and grade button, okay. So we are checking if model dot hour double equals to nil, then title will remain same hours, which is already there for normal state, else our dot title will be whatever hours is selected, and dash hours. So this will be the value for hour. Same thing we will validate for grade, okay. If model dot grade double equals to nil, then title will be grade, otherwise title will be append with grade, okay. Like a plus b grade, a minus b grade, a minus grade, b plus grade, something like that, okay. Now it's done. and here will be grade. So you have done with it. Now our next step is stop your running application, and here we will check all is good. Yeah, false calculation. Table view also is good. Where we will take one selected string. Okay, so we can show the selected item again, whatever you have selected. Like in ours you have selected 4, so we can show that 4 is selected. So we will do coding for that. If this is for hour, so here we will validate if list index path dot row dot hour not equal nil, then we will set controller dot selected string equals hour. Same thing we will do for grade. Okay, this is for fix and copy and paste again. This is for grade, so replace with grade, and here also pass grade. That's cool. Now return back to your value selection controller. Here if selected string is not equals null and selected string model dot name double equals selected string, then model dot checked equals true. Same thing we will do for hours. Okay, we don't need to type for false scenario. So model dot list of index of path row check, then table view dot select row at index of path animate true and dot middle. So pass it will take middle. Fine. Now create we have one more function did select at row. So this is the inbuilt function of table view. As we are using all the functions same like that, we can use this function as well. Okay, so this is new book hours. Here we can select, we have selected 3, we have selected 0. Yes, you can see grade. Okay guys, now we will take one delegate, and this is a type of delegate callback. Okay, what we have created customly over. So from here delegate dot callback with selected string. Okay, index path dot row dot name, whatever we will select this will pass through from here, and self dot navigation controller dot pop back view controller, and animation will true. Now controller dot delegate equals self, same for our controller dot delegate equals self, and this is inside the calculation controller. Okay, now build and run. Average 100, new stroke hour 4, great. And there is error is coming, grade is not setting. So why grade is not setting? Set data. Okay, we need to replace this button, actually we forgot. Great, so it is fine. And then another error, we will remove this validation, none. Then again we will check. Actually that was for reloading the table. Okay, uh, hmm. Oh, still it's coming. New file. I'll create separate cell view. It may be the issue for we are taking UI table cell view. So I'm creating a separate cell view, selection cell. That's great. Now I will assign this cell to my table view cell and select selection cell. Everything will remain same, but I don't think this may be the issue, but we can try once. New hour, click, it's happening. Remove this, select index path, animate true. Here we will pass true, and in next one none. That's cool. Now again we will see and we will check it out. Our so the error has been gone, and you can see what you have selected. This is selected already. It's coming. So guys, it is working as we expected. Now list dot row dot name equals cell dot name dot text. Same thing we did for grade button, so that we can store the data when you click on hours or grade, so it will be very useful for us. We will not lost any single data. So here if you pass like my complete stock, and here I'm passing some name like my name. So I will open our controller. Now I will come back, so it should remain same. Okay, and if I click on new, then it should remain same. So guys, it's working as expected, and I hope you understood the complete scenario of this tutorial. If you did not understand, then please watch it again, and still if you are not understanding, then please comment into the comment box so that I can understand what problem you are facing and I can solve that problem as soon as possible. And for upcoming video, please subscribe this channel because it's contain too much video. And for new video, please keep watching this series, because in next video we will handle the functionality of a calculation. Thank you so much.